Dinosaurs turned into birds. Birds are the descendants of the late dinosaurs, a group called the Theropods. Dinosaurs characterized as having hollow bones, 3 toes and claws on each limb, were the main ancestors of what would later become extant birds. Members of this clade include the following: Allosaurus, Baryonyx, Spinosaurus, Yutyrannus, and the Tyrannosaurus Rex, etc. A possible subspecies of the theropods that lived during the Mesozoic, known as the Maniraptorans, is a group of dinosaurs that closely resemble birds. An example of this is the small dromeosaurid Microraptor, which had utilized gliding, a less advanced form of flight. It had long upper arm bones adorned with pennaceous feathers that gave it its aerodynamic appearance and abilities. It behaved in a similar fashion to modern birds of prey such as sparrowhawks and eagles, as it went from tree to tree looking for small bugs, lizards, and mammals. Archaeopteryx is another member of this group that scientists refer to as the missing link between birds and reptiles. Just like the Microraptor, it is believed that it hunted during the night, just like owls, by climbing up trees and gliding down to pin their prey using their clawed feet. Unlike the Microraptor, it had the parts that modern-day bird uses during flight, such as wings, the wishbone, and the furcula. Despite these features, it is speculated that it was not capable of legitimate flight due to how primitive they were compared to birds in the present day. It is theorized that the theropods began to shrink in size as time went by for better opportunities of survival through a process known as miniaturization. During the KT extinction event, bigger dinosaurs could not seek shelter from the asteroid's impact, which caused the bigger ones like sauropods and large theropods of the Cretaceous to become officially extinct. On the other hand, those that had already gone through a lot of shrinking and small mammals were able to hide underground in caves or burrows to escape from the blast. Being smaller is also a huge advantage for dinosaurs, since having lesser mass means you need less to survive. It is likely that the ones that did survive eventually began to experiment with gliding until it transformed into fully-fledged flight.